Hello everyone, welcome to Home and Arty Cooking. Our next place to visit on our virtual tour to Kutch Mandvi is Rukmavati Bridge. Rukmavati Bridge was built in 1883 by Vishram Karman Chawda. Mandvi is also known for the production of its bandhnis. Shipyards of Mandvi are an unusual tourist attraction. It makes for a great photography spot. Ships are made out of wood and they are built in the same way as it was built centuries ago. Our next place to visit is Vijay Vilas Palace. The palace was built during reign of Maharao Sri Khengarji III. It took 9 years to complete the construction of the palace. The palace is built with red sandstone. The central high dome on the pillars, the Bengal domes on the sides, the windows with colored glass, carved stone jalis make the palace worth visiting. Vijay Vilas Palace has its own private beach. Scenes from Bollywood blockbusters like Lagan, Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam and Gujarati films are shot in this palace. Now let's continue with our Kutchi cuisine. Our next recipe is Kutchi Kadhi. Instructions are: in a bowl, add curd and besan. Whisk it well so no lumps remain. Add half cup of water and mix it. In a kadhai, do tempering with mustard seeds, cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, asafoetida and curry leaves. Add curd mixture to kadhai. Add 2 cups of water, salt to taste, jaggery sliced, kokum, juliennes of white radish, drumsticks cut into long pieces, ginger paste and green chili paste. Let the kadhi boil for 10 minutes on medium flame. Hot kadhi is ready. Garnish with coriander leaves. Our next recipe is mixed sambaria. Yummy! My mouth is watering. Instructions are: chop top and bottom part of the lady's finger, tindley and potatoes. Cut upper part of brinjal. Make vertical deep slits on lady's finger, tindley and potatoes. Make a cross slit on brinjal as shown in the video. Clean and cut the unwanted stems from the half capsicum. For stuffing, in a bowl, add besan, coconut, turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, salt to taste, red chili powder, ginger paste, chili paste, jaggery and oil. Mix all the stuffing ingredients. Fill little stuffing in all vegetables as shown. Do not overstuff it. Keep aside the remaining stuffing for later. Steam potato, tindley, brinjal in a pressure cooker for 1 whistle on medium flame. Let the pressure cooker cool down. In a non-stick pan, do tempering. Then add stuffed capsicum and lady finger. Cover for 2 minutes. Roast till the vegetables are cooked well. Now add the steamed vegetables. Roast them so that the potatoes get bit crispy. Add remaining stuffing. Add 1 tablespoon of water. Cover with lid and cook for a minute or 2. Garnish sambaria with coriander leaves. Our next recipe is lachka dal. Add tur dal to a vessel and wash it. Add water till it soaks the dal. Add salt, turmeric powder and asafoetida. Mix well. Pressure cook this dal for 3 whistles on medium flame. Let the pressure cooker cool down. Whisk dal. Cook the dal on medium flame so that it becomes bit thick. Stir in between. Be careful that the dal doesn't stick to the bottom. Lachka dal is ready. Wasn't that easy one? Our next recipe is padwali roti, that is split roti. Instructions are: in a plate, add wheat flour and oil. Mix it. Add water to make a dough. Cover and set aside for 10 minutes. Grease your hands and knead the dough for a minute. Make small portions out of it. Take 2 balls, roll out 2 small rounds. Apply oil on both rounds, sprinkle some flour and place one rolled portion over the other. Press the ends to make it even. Roll out roti using wheat flour. Roast roti on hot tawa on both sides. Remove on plate, gently separate both layers. Apply ghee. Similarly, make rotis from remaining dough. Soft rotis are ready. You can check my no fire carrot pickle recipe. The link is given in the description box. So our Kutchi cuisine thali is ready. I hope you enjoyed our tour to Kutch, Mandvi and also our Kutchi cuisine thali. Thanks for watching. Do share and subscribe to my channel.